Got a nice travel trailer here at the auction, but the floor is really soft. I was in here earlier, the floor is soft. I don't know how it got so soft, probably water damage.
Somebody lived in here for 2 years.
It smells like mold. Somehow it leaked.
Somebody lived in there for 2 years.
How do you know?
That's what they told me.
It smells.
Yep. A man lived
That's
in
a
here.
nice kitchen there.
Yep.
We got a stove and a microwave. It sounded like Karen wanted to be in my video. Did you hear her talking? It's got the tip outs. I think it has 2 tip outs. It smells in here. The whole floor is soft. It might go real cheap. There's a big tip out the whole way along here. I wonder how there's no marks on the floor to show that it leaked. Here's a Jensen TV. That's got a well, they all had showers. The sink, the toilet. It is nice. None of the... It don't show no signs of leaking on the ceiling. I wonder how it leaked. Maybe down here. No. I like this setup the way this is right here. Never seen one like that. Maybe in the expensive RVs. And cabinets. I bet it might go cheap. Somebody will buy it to live in it. I'm not sure what year it is. Salem Hemisphere Light. Maybe 30 foot. I bet it was $80,000 when it was new.